Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about why Python programming language is popular. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Why Python programming language is popular? Python is widely popular due to its simplicity, readability, and ease of learning, making it an ideal language for beginners and experienced developers alike. It supports multiple programming paradigms such as procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming, which adds to its flexibility. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks like NumPy for data science, Django for web development, and TensorFlow for machine learning make it a go-to choice for a wide range of applications. Additionally, its strong community support and cross-platform compatibility contribute to its sustained popularity. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on why Python programming language is popular. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.